Shopify versus eBay. What's the difference? Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you the difference between eBay and Shopify. So let's get into it. So first things first, eBay is an online store where anyone can create an account and sell any products. They can sell their old products, their used products, their new products. They can open up a store, whatever they want, right? And it's completely free. Whereas Shopify, it's an online e-commerce store mainly used for e-commerce businesses, mainly used for drop shipping or print on demand type of products, or just simply creating a website and selling their own products. Most people use Shopify because of the website builder that it has. They can easily create a website, and because it's one of the most easiest softwares, easiest tools to out there to use as a complete beginner. And everyone knows eBay. You can't really create a website over here. It's an online marketplace rather than a store. So over here, you will find a bunch of people selling a bunch of stuff, mostly new, mostly used. So it depends on you. It is not an online store, it's more like an online marketplace. Whereas Shopify is an online store where people come over here and create a store, create a website, and sell their own products. And it's not free. There is a pricing plan, and right here is the pricing plan. It starts at $19 per month for the basic. Then for the Shopify, it's $49 per month. Then for the advanced, it's $299 per month. And for the first month, you will only have to pay $1. So keep that in mind. Whereas in eBay, you can just simply come over here, click on sell. And over here on eBay, anyone can create a seller account. You just simply have to click on sell or click on my eBay and then click on selling, and that should work. And then you just list your items, get the seller protection, and get yourself paid. And it's just that easy. And yeah, so those are the difference between eBay and Shopify. Shopify is an online e-commerce website tool, whereas eBay is an online marketplace where people can sell used goods or new goods. It depends on you. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.